Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, July 9, 2021 on our channel. Arneg presented new promotional refrigerated islands. Eurovent Certita Certification launches new website. Great White Fleet adds 850 efficient and highly serviceable carrier Transicold PrimeLINE units. Star Refrigeration has enhanced its maintenance program. 2022 AHR Expo Innovation Awards. Preparations for Chillventa 2022 start with new website. So, first news today. Arneg presented new promotional refrigerated islands. Laval 4, Gander 4 and Rody 4 are Arneg's most advanced promotional refrigerated islands. Gander 4, the green island with sliding glass covers, is complemented by the Laval 4 and Rody 4 open versions. All models have a built-in motor and are extremely silent in operation, guaranteeing a pleasant shopping experience and easy, ergonomic product access. Ecological and highly efficient thanks to our 290 natural refrigerant, these islands feature a contemporary design and can be customized to match the needs and tastes of the retailer. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Eurovent Certita Certification launches new website. Eurovent Certita Certification, ECC, has released an updated website available at www.euroventcertification.com. The new website was designed to provide a better user experience to a wider audience, consultants, technical design offices, architects, and end users, with a quick and easy access to certified data. The new website provides the following new features: an online search engine for third-party certified products, components and systems in the HVACR fields with an easy access to certified data sorted by product families, brands, performances, editorial content related to the following topics: indoor air quality and ventilation, thermal comfort, heat pumps, refrigeration, online configurators allowing to find the best certified product families and product types according to the visitor's needs. The website is available in the following 9 languages: English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Russian, Turkish, Arabic, and Chinese. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Great White Fleet adds 850 efficient and highly serviceable carrier Transicold PrimeLINE units. Great White Fleet has acquired 850 new containers refrigerated by carrier Transicold's energy-efficient PrimeLINE units to support banana and pineapple export operations from Central America. We have again selected the carrier Transicold PrimeLINE unit based on its reliability, performance, and especially for its high efficiency, said Stefano Di Paolo, President, Great White Fleet. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Star Refrigeration has enhanced its maintenance program. Star Refrigeration has enhanced its industry-leading maintenance program with the addition of a range of services to help plant operators achieve energy-saving targets and cut costs. Star Care is Star's proactive and predictive maintenance service for refrigeration plant and equipment. The comprehensive program features specialist engineering activities to minimize downtime and help customers to save energy, significantly reducing whole life costs. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. 2022 AHR Expo Innovation Awards. The AHR Expo, International Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigerating Exposition, 2022 Innovation Awards call for entries is now open. The annual competition, held in conjunction with the show, honors the most innovative and original products, systems and technologies in HVACR. Exhibitors are encouraged to submit new or upgraded products to compete. Entries will be accepted through August 3, 2021. The 2022 AHR Expo will be hosted at the Las Vegas Convention Center in Las Vegas, Nevada, January 31 through February 2, 2022. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Preparations for Chillventa 2022 start with new website. Following the Chillventa East Special 2020, and after 4 years without an in-person gathering, the world's leading exhibition for refrigeration, which also covers AC, ventilation, and heat pump technology, is being planned to again bring together experts from all around the world face-to-face at Exhibition Center Nuremberg from 11 to October 13, 2022. As usual, the high-caliber Chillventa Congress is planned to take place the day before the exhibition, on October 10, 2022. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.